Let me ask you a question. How would you like to start a high-ticket company, scale it to 7 or even 8 figures in cash collected within just 12 to 36 months, and then position it for a multi-million-dollar exit? Imagine creating something that generates consistent cash flow, pays you significant dividends every single month, and becomes a valuable asset that you can sell for 5, 10, 15, or even 25 million US dollars. This isn't just a dream. This is exactly what we are doing right now at High Ticket Ventures. For now, I'll just cut straight to the point. I specialize in building high-ticket companies that dominate their markets. We build businesses that operate in growing, unsaturated industries with massive demand. These aren't your average businesses. They are high-margin, results-driven companies engineered for profitability, scalability, and life-changing exits. So, if you are tired of trying to figure it out all on your own, this is your chance to partner with myself and a team of experts who have already built and sold companies for millions. Through a 50-50 equity-based partnership, we work with experienced entrepreneurs, industry leaders, and driven individuals to execute a proven strategy that delivers guaranteed results. This isn't about trial and error. It's about following a step-by-step blueprint that has already created multiple multi-million-dollar success stories. If you are serious about building a real company, one that delivers measurable results for clients and generates massive wealth for yourself, then keep watching, because this just might be the opportunity that changes everything for you. Give me just a couple of minutes and allow me to explain how everything works. My name is Fletcher, and I'm the founder of High Ticket Ventures, the world's first startup accelerator focused exclusively on high-ticket companies. Over the past 8 years, I've built and scaled companies to 7 and even 8 figures from scratch, maintaining 50 to 70% net profit margins with year-on-year growth. And I've even exited some of these companies to private equity firms for life-changing amounts of money. But it hasn't always been smooth sailing. I've launched ventures that didn't work, faced partnerships that fell apart, and learned exactly what separates success from failure. I created High Ticket Ventures to solve a problem. There are talented, driven people with incredible ideas, but they lack the systems, resources, and expertise to turn those ideas into thriving companies. And perhaps this is exactly where you are right now. High Ticket Ventures is about bridging that gap through 50-50 partnerships. We combine your skills and drive with our proven playbook to build companies that are profitable, scalable, and built for long-term success. At High Ticket Ventures, our mission is simple: to build a holding company with 1,000 performing businesses, each generating at least 10 million in annual revenue. This ambitious vision equates to 10 billion in collective value through strategic exits and long-term growth. We're not here to chase trends or launch short-term ventures. Our focus is on creating high-value companies that operate in growing, low-competition markets with massive demand. These companies are designed to solve real-world problems, deliver exceptional results for their clients, and scale profitably. By combining your expertise and drive with our proven systems and resources, we are building a portfolio of companies that aren't just successful. They are designed to dominate their markets, generate consistent cash flow for you so you can achieve a life-changing exit. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly do I mean by a high-ticket company? Well, a high-ticket company isn't just about charging premium prices. It's about creating a results-driven, scalable system that generates consistent cash flow and significant profit. Each client typically invests $5,000 or more on the front end, but the real value comes from long-term relationships where each client generates 6 or 7 figures over 12 to 24 months. This is achieved through recurring revenue streams like ongoing services, licensing, profit sharing, or equity-based back-end models. These companies don't rely on one-off acquisition sales. They scale predictably through proven back-end ascension models. At High Ticket Ventures, everything is systemized, from generating booked calls to closing new clients, delivering results, collecting case studies, and reinvesting into growth. With proven systems for marketing, sales, operations, and finance, our companies become highly valuable cash-flowing assets built for scale, profit, and eventually the exit. Now, we don't actually have to sell the company, but it does not mean that we're not going to entertain the idea. Now, to help you visualize by what I mean by a high-ticket company, let me share with you some business ideas that exemplify this model. Imagine running a capital raising firm where you charge companies a $25,000 engagement fee to help them secure funding. You provide consulting services on a monthly retainer, and when you successfully raise capital, say 100 million, you earn 5% of the funds raised. That's a $5 million payday for helping businesses get the capital that they need. Or consider a real estate development accelerator. Clients pay an engagement fee to learn how to buy and develop properties. You mentor them through 10 projects, and in return, you earn 5% of their profits from each deal. you are helping developers succeed while sharing in the lucrative returns. Think about offering cryptocurrency launch services. You charge firms $250,000 upfront to create a new cryptocurrency, you manage their $1 million marketing campaign and receive a percentage of the coin allocation. If the coin does well, your share's value could skyrocket, capitalizing on the crypto boom while sharing in the success. Another example is providing tax optimization services to wealthy entrepreneurs. You help them set up businesses in low tax jurisdictions, charging for your setup, advisory services, and on the back end, you offer ongoing strategy, potentially sharing in the tax savings achieved. You're helping clients save millions while building a lucrative advisory business. Lastly, think about assisting business owners preparing to sell their companies. You charge an engagement fee to help baby boomer business owners get ready for sale, enhancing their business's value, and upon a successful exit to a private equity firm, you earn 5% as an exit fee, which could be $5 million or more per deal. You are facilitating life-changing exits and earning significant commissions in the process. Inside High Ticket Ventures, we have hundreds of untapped ideas just like these, but better, ready to make you millions. These examples aren't just smart ideas, they are actionable business models designed with a front-end, middle, and back-end revenue structure that makes scaling predictable and profitable. Plus, we also teach you how to deliver the service to your clients so they actually get results. This leads to case studies and referrals, helping you create a flywheel of clients for life. Remember, a customer buys once, a client buys forever. By ensuring your clients succeed, you build lasting relationships that fuel ongoing growth and profitability. Our approach creates companies that generate consistent cash flow and pay a minimum of $200,000 in monthly dividends, $100,000 to you and $100,000 to High Ticket Ventures Holdings. These businesses are designed to dominate their markets and create lasting wealth. This isn't theory either. We have many companies inside of our portfolio hitting these big numbers right now. At High Ticket Ventures, we offer one program called High Ticket Accelerator. It's a proven startup accelerator designed to help you build a company that generates six-figure monthly profits and positions you for a multi-million-dollar exit. This is not a course or coaching program. It's a hands-on, equity-based partnership where we hold your hand and guide you every step of the way. The first 42 days are focused on validating your idea or optimizing your existing business. You'll choose your niche, craft your offer, and select a scalable business model. Then, you'll set up a two-step client acquisition funnel to land your first 3 paying clients at $1,000 deposit each. By doing this, it proves proof of concept and lays the foundation for scaling. If you already have a company, we'll adapt it to our framework to ensure rapid growth. Once validated, we'll move on to stage 2. You take the lead as the CEO and the director while we handle the infrastructure, registering the company, opening fresh bank accounts, and integrating Xero for financial management. From there, it's all about delivering results and blitz scaling profitably through multi-channel acquisition methods. With our proven systems and strategies, you'll build a company that generates consistent cash flow and pays significant monthly dividends. Our goal is simple. Within 6 months, you'll be making 6 figures in monthly profit, and when the time is right, we'll position the company for an exit, earning you $5 million to $25 million or more. High Ticket Ventures is about creating high enterprise value companies with speed, precision, and guaranteed results. If you want to learn more, whether you already have a company and you're struggling to grow, or an idea that you want to explore, here's what I want you to do. Schedule an application call with me or a member of the team. Below this video, you'll find a button to book a Google Meet call through Calendly. On this call, we'll discuss your goals, the accelerator, and determine if we're the right fit for a partnership. This is not for everyone. At High Ticket Ventures, we are highly selective because we invest our time, resources, and systems directly into every single company. We only take on a limited number of partners each quarter to ensure every company we build gets the full focus and support it needs to succeed. This is for smart, driven founders who are resilient, ambitious, and ready to execute. Once again, I cannot stress this enough. This is not some course or coaching program which you've probably invested in the past, which didn't work. This is a startup accelerator with companies in the community who are already generally making millions of dollars in profits within just 12 months from starting. If you are not serious about a 50-50 equity partnership, this isn't for you. But if you are ready to stop struggling and start scaling and finally build the wealth that you've been chasing, this is your chance. Our program is proven, exclusive, and results-driven. But the first step to take is yours. Once you book, you'll gain access to exclusive training materials and a demo of what it's like inside the Startup Accelerator. as well as in-depth case studies inside the portfolio, making millions of dollars a month right now. Once again, my name is Fletcher Ladd, and I'm looking forward to helping you create something extraordinary. This is your opportunity. Don't let it pass you by. Book your call right now.